happy 90th birthday, Lola Ading. And sana nandyan din kami para makipag-celebrate. But hindi kami pwedeng bumiyahe pa sa ngayon. Pero ito na yung bubuhati mo sa susunod, Lola. Ito na yung apo mo sa tuhod, si John Raven. Tingnan mo, oh. And ingat ka palagi, Lola. And good health, okay? And wag pasaway, ha? Matulog. Matulog na matulog. Magbingo ka ngayon, ha? Enjoy your day, Lola. And hoping and praying for long life palalo, Lola. I love you and I miss you, Lola. Don't forget, sino to? Sino to sexy mong apo? Huwag mo kakalimutan. Pag ako talaga kinalimutan mo, Diyos ko, magtatampo ko, Lola. I love you. See you soon, Lola. Bye, Lola. See you soon po. I love you.
Happy 90th birthday, Lola Ding! We love you, Mama!
Happy birthday, Lola Ading. Happy 90th birthday. More healthy years to come. And tawag ka na daw ng mga bingo-gera sa Herrera. Go, bingo na.
Happy birthday, Ate Ading.
Ate Ading.
This is from Los Angeles, California.
Linda and Lydia.
Lydia.
God bless you and we love you.
More birthdays to come, and God bless you today and always and all your family. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.